Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to bring power off menu to power button of your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. Usually by default, if you long press this power button, what will happen? See here. Only Pixby app will open. Okay. So if you don't want this Pixby in the power button, and if you would like to get power button in this side button, that is power button, then what will you do? Just follow this video. Go to settings of your phone first, then go to advanced features, go to advanced features here, and then go to side button, and here under press and hold, just choose power off menu. Already by default it is set to wake Bixby, so that only Bixby will be opening when you long press this side button. Okay, now you have chosen power off menu. Hereafter wake Bixby will not open, and you can easily switch off from power button itself. Just long press this power button and the power off menu will appear. From here you can just power off or switch off your phone. Okay, so in this way you can bring power off menu to the power button of your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.